Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to preparing the creamy filling. Next, we'll assemble the layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and rich cream. Finally, I'll share tips for chilling and serving this delightful dessert, ensuring a perfect treat every time. First, let's prepare the luscious cream. Take 2 cups of heavy cream and whip it until it forms beautiful soft peaks. Then, slowly incorporate 1 cup of sugar, ensuring it's well combined. Finally, gently fold in 16 ounces of cream cheese, mixing until the mixture is perfectly smooth and airy. This creates the rich base for our tiramisu. Now for the assembly. Quickly dip your ladyfingers into strong, cooled coffee, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread about half of your prepared creamy mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers, finishing with a generous top layer of cream. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set. Before serving, dust the top generously with cocoa powder for that authentic touch. Then, slice and enjoy your homemade tiramisu. Also, for other great deals and to find those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.